Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add zooms in your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and from here we have our video right here. So I'll be showing you real quick on how you can add zoom, either zoom in or zoom out. So all we have to do is basically select your video that you want to add a zoom and then go into the effect controls of that video right here. And from here, we're going to play with the scale and position. So we're going to keyframe it. So depending on what point of the video you want the zoom to occur. So for example, I want it at this point, then I want to add a scale, add a keyframe to the scale. So this will be the starting position. And also the position keyframe right here. So I'm going to add a keyframe by clicking here on the keyframe button. So this clock button right here is a keyframe button. So I want my transition to end by at this point, and I want it to be zoomed in by this much at this point right here, and also the position should be this much right here when it's zoomed in. And now when I play the video, just as easy as that, we now have a zoom in effect right there. But if you want to zoom out, then you can just do the opposite. So your starting point would be the end point of your zoom in. So for example, this would be the end point right here. You can do it like this one. You can just swap them out, and you can see that we now have a zoom out effect right there. Or you could just create your own just by simply going into your keyframe again. So your starting position right here, we're gonna go and zoom out. Starting position is you change your value, and just like that. And then your position also, you have changed it right there. And then your end value, so you want it to be since you are zooming out, you want it to be more zoomed out, just like that. So you want your scale to be much smaller value, and then your position right there. So when we play it, we now have a zoom out effect like this one right there. So that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.